Another one of those venues. Haven't gone too far, really. Whatever. King's still looking great. We'll go down to Jerry Bike. Get down to the middle. Dusty trying to regress, clean his shades. Assistant bike at the end. And this is, well, it's a sandbar. Sandbar pump. Alright.
Check it out, right?
Cool. You can see they've had their degree of perpetuity overflow from these houses right in the water over here. And there's a lot of evidence of yesterday and all that rain that it has breached, it has come over there, it has come over to this side. It looks a hell of a lot better today, but you can tell it did happen. Anyway, here we are. We're at the sandbar.
Yeah, we're at the sandbar.
You know, our last stop, and then we're heading home. Peace out, everybody.